Hi everyone, it's Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use the side button to end a call. So instead of pressing the end button here, you can go ahead and use the side button and end the call. So let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down until you see accessibility. From here, find interaction and dexterity. From here, find answering and ending calls. And now from here, find side button to end calls. So go ahead and turn this feature on. So now when you're in a call and you want to end it, go ahead and press the side button and that will end the call. So there you go, guys. That is how to use the side button to end calls on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.